best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm trying.
What up, fam? Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And I am Fritz, and this is my baby.
So guys, before we get into this video, don't forget to
subscribe
and hit that bell to be notified.
Every time we post a video.
Because that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see those parentheses on the outside of your bell, then you're doing something wrong. So we're gonna need you to make sure that you've done that so that you can be notified every time we post a video. And don't forget to like if anything in this video makes you smile. Don't forget to comment because we talk back. And share because sharing is caring. Now, without further ado, let's get into this baking video.
Baking video.
What?
Baking video.
Well, fam, today we are coming to you with a baking video, and we are making some salted caramel brownies. Now, first, what we're gonna start off with, we're gonna make our salted caramel before we start to make our brownies because we gotta let it cool for a while. First and foremost, you get your sugar. Get you a 2 to 3 quart saucepan. I use 3. Pour your sugar in the saucepan. Now the heat doesn't need to be on yet because if you didn't know, when heat is applied to sugar, it melts. So we're gonna be melting this until we get a nice deep amber color. We're gonna do this on medium-high heat. So now we really have to just wait for the sugar to start melting. And we're gonna get back to you once the sugar starts to melt. Making caramel is an art, guys, because you don't want to let it get too hot because caramel can burn really quick. You want to spin? You want to stir it? Come on. Here you go. Share.
You still supposed to be on 7?
Mm-hmm. Cook it on the same temp the whole while. When the butter is fully mixed in with the sugar, then you take it off the heat. So guys, the homemade caramel is done. Now that we are finished and everything is mixed together, I'm sorry you guys didn't see me put this on here, but we're gonna shift this on to the back. I'm gonna let it sit for a while. So, took the caramel off the eye real quick because the the saucepan conducts heat, so we took it off the eye so I can mix these dry ingredients really quick. This is going to be some sea salt, flour, well, all-purpose flour, sea salt, and some baking powder.
And we gonna eat a bone.
What?
And we gonna eat a bone.
We gonna eat some food?
Yes. And we gonna eat some cake.
Normally I would sift this, but it's not even enough to worry about sifting. Okay, Fritz, so I'm gonna need you to pour the sugar in the bowl. Pour the sugar in the mixing bowl.
Thank you.
Brown sugar, thank you. Now we're gonna need you to pour the sugar in there.
Big boy.
Now, last but not least, pour the butter in.
Big boy.
Close the top. Close it down. Yep. Now we're gonna... All right, fam. So now we've got to Mix the brown sugar and the butter together until smooth. Next step in this recipe, you have to mix in your egg and your egg yolk. Now, quick trick. Separate the egg from the egg, separate the egg yolk from the white. Let's get you a spoon. If it won't, there we go. Come on. That membrane is sometimes hard, but easy peasy. Mix your vanilla in. Mix one more time. Now that we have a nice, smooth, even texture, we're gonna add the dry ingredients in slowly. Put this on low because that's all you need.
That was not low, babe. That was not low.
Nah, it wasn't, but because it was on 2 and I added.
You gonna ask the fam how they was doing today or something?
Oh, how y'all doing today? The kids.
Y'all, everybody's acting up.
Just scrape the sides. And make sure we get all this mixed in together. Mixed in right. You have to, it ain't gotta be mushy. You just need to have it mostly mixed. Alright fam, so we are in the home stretch, and now all we have to do is fold in our butterscotch. I don't think I told y'all what we're making today.
You did.
Yes I did. Salted caramel blondies.
The salted caramel part must be for you.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, you know, it's a salted caramel wave going on now, so might as well go ahead and bring some of my favorites out into the mix. They got salted caramel wings, babe. Come on now. Now what we're gonna do?
This brownie dough or cookie dough?
It's brownie. But see, that's the thing, you gotta mash it into the pan. You gotta take half of it, mash it in, caramel sauce for the other half.
I'm ready to see what these brownies gonna taste like, y'all. I didn't jump on that what you call it, salted caramel train.
Salted caramel business. I mean that forever.
I can't get with the salty sweets. Well, I don't know. It depends on if it's gonna have, if it have them freaking big old salt pieces.
No,
I don't like that.
No, I use fine. I use fine sea salt.
I can deal with that, but I don't really like all that salted caramels. I mean the salted caramel stuff. The salted caramel stuff I have had. Golly, I have had taste. You can taste the salt. I don't like that. So anything else salted caramel, I ain't ate it. What was that we tasted that time? It was the salted caramel coffee from Starbucks.
Oh yeah.
And it had salt pieces in the bottom. I was like, oh no, I can't drink this.
Okay, so you're gonna take half of your brownie mix, guys, and you're gonna put it into the pan. Well, of course, after you thoroughly greased it. And that's why I love tasting. You see that? I ain't gotta worry about my hands still being greasy. It's a little bit of work, guys, but it's worth it.
while Bae's doing that. Today's cooking vlog is like all over the place. We are sorry, but the kids are tripping today. One was asleep. We
try to include.
We're trying to include. One of them sleep. Baby Alex, he don't want to sit down in his high chair or his playpen. Aiden Fritz is supposed to be asleep with Andrew. He ended up in the video. Drew is now over there.
Awake.
We just have a whole catastrophe going on. Okay, look, y'all. The lighting is crazy. Sorry, guys. They gonna say, babe, what is up with you and this butterscotch? Ew, it got holes in it. Ew. Okay. For that pretty.
Boy, if y'all could smell this.
Smell-o-vision. Coming to TVs and phone screens near you.
Right. I don't want to just pour it on there because I don't want it over the side of my pot, so.
You gotta use all of that?
Matter of fact, no.
Really?
I'm supposed to have 4th cup anyway.
This is very interesting looking. Never seen brownies made like this. I ain't never seen brownies made like this, like doughy form. I said, babe, if you put all the salt in the oven, you might want to put a little extra sweet.
I am. Half of it.
You just finna push it down in there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a little bit flat before it goes in. And kind of press out from the center.
This looks like they're drunk and ugly.
Well, if it look like the drunk and ugly, I'm proud because I love the drunk and ugly. 325 for 30 to 35 minutes. See you soon. Well, fam, sadly, it is that time of the video where we have to bid you guys adieu. However, oh, we forgot to tell them. I know you guys are probably wondering why you saw two pans instead of one. We're doing a 9x13 versus a 9x9, and we swore we were recording, and the camera had cut off on the other part, but it turned out to be good anyway, because no point in cooking two different sets of brownies. So I mean, on camera. But we're doing a 9x9 versus a 9x13, and we're gonna let you guys know how it comes out.
The one on the left is the
darker one, The darker color is the 9x9 and the lighter color is the 9x13.
Yes. They also have two different textures.
The texture is different, and that's why we did a 9x9 versus 9x13, because the 9x13 it gives you that soft fall apart texture, but the 9x9 gives you that kind of hard, kind of toffee.
Crunchy.
Yeah, kind of like toffee. So we're gonna see which one soup side palette best tonight. I mean, of course we're gonna like both of them, but we don't know which one we feeling tonight. We're gonna let you guys know how that turns out after the mukbang. Until next time, fam.
Love you
guys. You wanna say something?
Say goodnight to the vlog.
You gonna wave, say bye, some.
There we go. Kisses.